Welcome to this tutorial on how to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's begin. First, open AutoCAD and either create a new drawing or open an existing one. Once your drawing is ready, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Draw panel, you'll find the Rectangle command. Click on the rectangle icon or type rec in the command line and press Enter. Now, let's define the first corner of the rectangle. Specify this point by clicking anywhere in the drawing area or by typing the coordinates in the command line. For example, let's start at coordinates 0, 0. You can type 0, 0 in the command line. Next, move your cursor to determine the opposite corner of the rectangle. Click again to complete the rectangle. AutoCAD also offers options to enter precise dimensions for the rectangle. You can either type the length and width directly or specify an angle for a rotated rectangle. Lastly, press Enter to finalize the rectangle. And there you have it. You've successfully drawn a rectangle in AutoCAD. Feel free to explore AutoCAD's editing tools to modify or adjust the dimensions of your rectangle if needed. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in mastering the creation of rectangles in AutoCAD. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching. Practice drawing rectangles in AutoCAD to enhance your drafting skills. Stay tuned for more tutorials and have a great day.